This great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.